Butter-basted fish fillets with garlic and thyme. This recipe is from Foolproof Fish from America's Test Kitchen. To prepare this recipe, you will need 2 6 to 8 ounce fillets fish such as cod, black sea bass, pollock, haddock, or hake, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 sprigs of thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, salt and pepper, and 1 lemon cut into wedges for serving. If necessary, pat the fillets dry with paper towels and then season on both sides with salt and pepper. To cook the fish, in a large non-stick skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil over medium-high heat until smoking. While the skillet is heating, prepare any of the remaining ingredients, such as the garlic and cutting the butter into cubes. Minced garlic would overwhelm the delicate flavors of the fish in this recipe, so for a more subtle garlic flavor, smash it. Another benefit of smashing the garlic is that it makes it easy to peel. Once your skillet is hot and smoking, it's time to add the fish. Place each fillet in the skillet skinned side down, and then using a thin, flexible spatula, press down on each fillet for about 5 seconds to ensure good contact with the pan. And then cook undisturbed for about 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, the bottom of the fish should be nice and golden brown. Carefully flip it and then let it cook for another minute or so. After a minute, scatter the butter around the fish and continue cooking until the butter is melted. After the butter melts, begin basting. Tilt the skillet towards you so the butter pools in the skillet, and then spoon the melted butter over the top of the fish. Do this for 15 seconds and then return the skillet flat on the burner and let the fish cook for 30 seconds, and then baste with butter again for 15 seconds. Repeat until the fish reaches an internal temperature of 130 degrees, and then add the garlic and the thyme. The butter will spatter and sputter quite a bit when you add the thyme, so be careful. Once the sputtering stops, continue the basting process until the fish is cooked to your liking. Serve with a squeeze of lemon. For more cooking videos, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.